Hi, this is Litre Toyota Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Toyota Corolla, stock number 7159. It's ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2013. Has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel with tyre, left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right rear door one dent. Right front door has some wobbles. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,